Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Leah Wambui, and in case it's the first time you're seeing this natural beautiful face, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and also remember to turn the post notification bell so that every time I post you'll be the first one to be notified. Guys, it has been a minute. Let's get ready to go to maintenance day. So crazy that my maintenance day is on Monday. Yeah, my maintenance day is on Monday. That's because on weekends, as from mostly Thursday to Sunday, I'm so much busy. I'm supposed to go for my touch up on my eyebrows. It has been a minute. I was supposed to go a while back, so I went for microblading on my eyebrows on February. Yeah, it was on Feb. Yeah, and I was supposed to go for a touch up after 1 month, but since I was so busy at school, or the school work was on my neck, and yeah, finally I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with campus. But out here it's even crazier. So it has been a while, so I have to go for my touch up today, and then I also have to go for maintenance. Last weekend I went to and did my hair. Not even last weekend, it was also on Monday. Yeah, I'm supposed to go for my touch up, then waxing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, let's go. Let's dress up. This is my outfit of the day. I'm putting on these mom jeans, sandals, yeah, and that bag. So guys, I am done dressing up. Just want to lay my edges. I've just laid my edges, so I want them to dry and set. Yeah, look at that.
Hi Leah.
Hello, Jesse.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Long time?
No, see.
Imagine. How was Nakuru? No, okay. So now, we did eyebrows. Now we are going to do final touch. How are you feeling? Are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Okay. You think?
I'm ready. I was born ready.
Okay. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do this. At this point, he was applying a numbing cream so that I don't feel pain while he's doing the touch-up. That is the microblading. Remember, it'll take how long to heal? Yeah.
3-4 days.
3-4 days.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm so warm. You guys need to come here. By the way, microblade your eyebrows. So that you can look the more
Mindful.
and beautiful, mindful.
Lala. Lala.
Unasikia?
Kameganda.
Kameganda.
Umechoka?
Nasikia kitu?
Like
Meganda.
sikia kama hata kamefura.
Naogopa kwa kipara.
Kuna baridi.
Ni hiyo blanketi imekubamba.
Kama hiyo. Kama umeka brown.
Nasikia anything?
Sasa.
Niko isha namba. Nice. Hata shikika.
Na tumpati leo.
Unaenda kufurahisha nani sasa? Hatujasahau story.
Kuna mtu nakufurahisha. Kijana fulani break up
Uko karibu.
break up na mademu.
Ndio kupunguzwa sana. Naanzanga kuwea Chungu mzuri. Hadi unacheka. Mpaka poa. Moja ishaisha sasa. Hata hiyo najua asikii. Lakini usikii? Hata? Ndio inawea. Hausikii hata?
And yeah, this was the final look. Just look at that, looking very cutesy and very demure. And then after that I went for late lunch, early dinner. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Always remember to be kind and do good to people. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.